Pretend first. Win later. Imagine for a moment you've already made it. Your ideal life is here: freedom, abundance, and fulfillment. Do you know the secret? Acting as if success is already yours. Today, you'll discover how to think, feel, and move toward your dreams with the certainty that you already own them. Success doesn't come by accident. It comes when you align with it in your mind. Ask yourself, how would you walk if you were already successful? What tone of voice would you use? Stand tall, look into the mirror, and repeat, success is already mine. Great leaders always had a vision before results. Close your eyes and create a vivid picture of your ideal life, income, relationships, health. Hold that image daily as if it were real. The mind doesn't distinguish between intense imagination and lived reality. All day, you talk to yourself. Change your inner script. Instead of saying, I can't, say, I already achieved it, I'm just in the process of showing it. Write 10 present tense affirmations about what you already have, even if it's still on the way. Thinking isn't enough. Acting as if success were yours means walking with certainty, making firm decisions, and surrounding yourself with opportunities. Ask, how would a successful version of me invest their time? Copy that behavior starting today. Ordinary people wait for motivation. Successful people act with discipline. Imagine being a professional athlete. Would you skip training because you don't feel like it? No. Apply the same standard to your career, your business, and your life. The first 60 minutes rule: start the day like a winner. Dedicate your first hour to learning, planning, and advancing key projects. If you were already successful, you wouldn't waste mornings on distractions. You'd build momentum before the world even wakes up. Surround yourself with images, people, and places that reflect success. Ask, does my environment inspire greatness or mediocrity? A true winner lives in spaces that remind them of their vision. Today, remove something that doesn't represent you and replace it with a symbol of success. Words create worlds. A leader never says, I'll try. They say, I will. Practice this. Eliminate the word try from your vocabulary for one full day and notice the difference in your energy and certainty. Winners decide firmly. They hesitate less, they advance more. Since you're already successful, decide as such. Next time you face a choice, ask, what would my successful self do? Then act without hesitation. Scarcity creates fear, abundance opens doors. Those who already won share, not hoard. Today, give something of value to someone without expecting anything in return. This act proves you live in abundance. Keep learning. Winners never stop growing. They read, listen, and invest in their minds. Act as if you're a millionaire of knowledge. Commit to reading 30 minutes daily on a subject that elevates your life. You're already becoming an expert. Time is your most valuable resource. Ask yourself, how would a multimillionaire manage their hours? Do the same. Schedule your top priorities first, and eliminate distractions. Treat your time as gold. Before sleep, act as if you already live in success. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and replay your perfect day, finished projects, grateful clients, money flowing. Your mind will work all night to bring that vision closer. Successful people attract opportunities because they radiate certainty. Practice this. Next time you walk into a room, stand tall, smile, and make eye contact. You're already a leader, even if you're just beginning. Winners don't play the victim. When things go wrong, they say, this prepares me for something bigger. Write down your last challenge and list 3 hidden benefits you gained from it. Clarity comes from action, not perfection. Winners know movement creates momentum. Take 3 steps toward your goal today, no matter how small. Action proves you're already on the path. Celebrate progress. Act as if every step is a victory. Don't wait for the big achievement to celebrate. Acknowledge and appreciate each win. This vibration aligns you with more success. Winners model winners. Choose someone you admire and study how they think, act, and decide. Copy their habits until they become your own. You're living success through them. Speak of the future in present. Don't say, someday I'll be successful. Say, I already live my success. When people ask about your projects, answer with confidence as if they're all. The rule of 5 each day: take 5 actions that move you closer to your goal. Big or small, what matters is consistency. This is how people who already won behave daily. Prioritize what matters. 20% of your actions produce 80% of results. Focus on what's essential. Write down your tasks and mark the 2 most critical. Start there, like someone who already lives in success world. Success is also physical. A true winner takes care of their body because it's their main tool. Exercise, eat better, and rest as if you were an athlete. Let your body reflect your greatness. When you act like a winner, excuses vanish. Obstacles are simply part of the journey. Adopt this mindset. No matter what happens, I keep going. Your posture sends messages to the world. Walk with your head high, shoulders back, and firm steps. This doesn't just convince others, it convinces your own mind that you've already made it. Don't imagine vaguely, imagine with precision. See the house, the car, the business, the impact. Create it in your mind as if you're already living inside that movie. Daily gratitude confirms that success is already yours. Write down 3 things you're grateful for every morning. Gratitude connects you with more abundance. Success rarely comes at the first attempt. Winners act as if they already know victory is inevitable. Repeat this, no matter how long it takes, I already won. This is how success is achieved, by thinking, acting, and living as if it were already yours. Make this practice your daily reality. And remember this secret: to fall asleep, you first pretend you're asleep. To achieve success, you must first pretend you already have it. That's the timeless formula of champions.